This problem requires us to calculate the yield to maturity and current yield of a bond, given the following details. The bond currently sells for $850. It has an 8-year maturity, an annual coupon rate of $80, and a par value of $8,000. So first off, let's plot the timeline and the cash flows for easy understanding. So I'm going to look at my timeline. I start at time period t equal to 0, and I have 8 time periods. So at time period t equal to 0, the bond is currently selling for $850. So if I were to purchase this bond today, standing right here, I purchase this bond, so money goes out, cash outflow of $850, and I buy this bond, and for the next 8 years, I receive annual coupon payments of $80. And at the end of year 8, when the bond matures, I would also receive a face value of $1,000, right? So I need to calculate the RD, or the yield to maturity. I can do so with a financial calculator. I need to put in following values: n equal to 8. I by y is what needs to be calculated. PV is a negative $850. PMT is $80. And FV is $1,000. So once I calculate the I by y, I can then get my yield to maturity. The current yield, on the other hand, can be calculated as annual coupon by the price of the bond. Annual coupon payment is $80 and the price of the bond is $850. So more or less very straightforward for the current yield. Let's calculate the yield to maturity. So I'm using a Texas Instruments BA2+ financial calculator. So before I put in values, I need to ensure that any past data is deleted so that it does not interfere with my future calculations. So second FV, second clear. So I start putting in my values. N equal to 8. PV is a negative $850. So my financial calculator always assumes an investment outcome perspective. So $80 is the PMT, $1,000 is the FV, and I compute the I by Y, giving me a yield to maturity of 10.9%. After which I can go ahead and calculate my current yield, which would be $80 divided by $850, giving me a current yield of approximately 9%.